When you're just beginning with woodworking, a table saw is one of the most essential and valuable tools for the workshop. It helps you make all sorts of different cuts that would be difficult with other tools. You can do rip cuts, cross cuts, miter cuts, and bevel cuts. There are many products available to choose the best table saws, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best table saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. SKIL SPT 991110 Heavy Duty Table Saw. The SKil SPT 99-11 combines durability and precision for any woodworking task. With a 15-amp motor and 3-5/8-inch cutting depth, it easily handles different types of wood, ensuring accurate and clean cuts. The saw allows for easy movement around your workspace or job sites thanks to its large wheels. One of the great features is the worm drive motor, which offers increased torque for exceptional cutting power. The saw comes with a riving knife, blade guard, and anti-kickback pawls to ensure necessary safety. The 30.5 rip capacity provides versatility for larger wood pieces, supported by the included push stick. Number 2. DeWalt DWE 74858 1/4 Compact Table Saw. The DeWalt DWE 7485 table saw is a great combination of portability and power, making it a great choice for beginners and DIYers. This table saw is an excellent investment. It doesn't cost much and provides the desired performance. This saw is equipped with a robust 15-amp motor and a 24.5-inch rip capacity, which makes it strong enough to cut through various types of wood with ease. All safety features are there: the anti-kickback pawls, a blade guard, and a riving knife. Despite its tabletop design without a stand, its lightweight construction allows for easy movement, making it a fantastic option for small workshops or on-the-go projects. In a nutshell, the DeWalt DWE 7485 compact table saw nails that sweet spot between power, precision, and easy moving around, making it a great pick for anyone starting with woodworking. Number 3. Bosch 10 inches Worksite Table Saw. The Bosch 4100-10 is a 10-inch table saw that features a 15-amp motor, which reaches 3,650 RPM for effortless and smooth cuts of different types of materials, but it is not as powerful as the other table saws above. The aluminum top supports larger sheets thanks to its 30-inch rip capacity. It rolls on its wheeled stand. It is easy to set up thanks to the gravity rise system, making it easy to adjust to your preferred height. One of the great features is the high-quality self-aligning fence that makes rip cuts much easier, and the soft start capability that slowly powers the motor. Number 4. Best Hybrid Table Saw. Shop Fox W1837. A hybrid table saw is a cross between a cabinet saw and a contractor saw. The motor is enclosed in a cabinet with a shorter drive belt than a portable contractor model, which makes for more power. A hybrid saw isn't exactly portable, but it's easier to move around the shop than a cabinet saw. The Shop Fox W1837 features a sturdy cast iron table with a 30-inch extension table, and its 2-horsepower motor runs on a 12-volt, 20-amp circuit. Tilted onto the built-in casters when you need to move it. Number 5. Rockwell BladeRunner RK7323. If you're a woodworking hobbyist who makes small wooden goods and picture frames, you don't need a full-size table saw. Enter the Rockwell BladeRunner RK7323, an ultralight benchtop saw that only weighs 15 pounds. With a 15-3/4 in x 17 in table, it can share your work table with other tools, and it fits easily in the car. The blade is only 4 inches in diameter, but the 5.5-amp motor develops enough cutting power for most small woodworking projects. The table, fence and dust port are comparable to those on larger models. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.